Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious mixed veggie stuffed with meat. And here I'm frying potatoes. Now, potatoes are done. Remove from fire. And now, let's fry our eggplant. And our zucchini also done. Remove from fire. Now done frying all our mixed veggies. Our mixed veggies are done. Here I fried potatoes, artichoke, eggplants, and zucchini. And I already prepared the fried pine seeds. And with our meat, I already fried. Here I already prepared our meat stuffing, which I used a lamb meat, and I cut 3 pieces of onions, and my spices I use are teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of normal pepper, and half teaspoon of black pepper. And I used a 3 big spoon of pomegranate molasses. And now we are ready to stuff our fried veggies. And before we stuff our mixed veggies, let's add our fried pine seeds. Mix it. Now, ready to stuff our mixed veggies. Now, let's get started. Now, let's start stuffing our potatoes. Let's stuff our zucchini. Now, done stuffing the zucchini. And now, let's stuff our eggplant. And now, last one, let's stuff our artichoke. Our stuffed veggies are done. Let's arrange them on the pot. And now let's put it on fire. Add cup of water. Three cups, I mean. And let it boil. Now let's check our mixed veggies. Our delicious mixed veggies stuffed with meat is ready to serve. Let's turn off the gas.